Welcome to this quick guide on how to access EBSCOhost, new user interface. Go to IUM Library Online Public Access Catalog, library.ium.edu.mv. Click on EBSCOhost database. You can also access the EBSCOhost link through the official IUM website. Visit www.ium.edu.mv. Select Library from the menu. Choose EBSCOhost database from the available options. Or simply use the remote access link, tinyurl.com/iumlibrary to access EBSCOhost. You'll arrive at the main search interface. You can access, search, and download without creating an account or sign in. Where to find more information? Quick tutorials are available on the IUM OPAC page. Here's a summary. You can access EBSCOhost link via IUM platforms, official IUM website, IUM Library OPAC page. Click on EBSCOhost database. Use remote access link. This link directly redirects to the EBSCOhost platform. You can access, search, and download without creating an account or sign in EBSCO new interface. Quick tutorials are available on the IUM OPAC page. And that's it. EBSCOhost is now just a click away. Have fun exploring and discovering.